Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Hi friends, it's a 32-inch LED TV here. In this TV, the complaint is no display issue due to backlight related fault. Here, while checking, we found that the backlights are okay. See friends, now the TV is released from the standby. Here you can see, now there is no backlight. Here actually you can see one of the capacitor in the motherboard is causing this problem. See friends, this capacitor is bulged. You can see the top of the capacitor. In some situation it's because of due to faulty shorter backlight can also cause this issue. In that situation, if we replace the capacitor, then the complaint will again repeat. But here we already checked that the backlights are okay. See friends, now we replaced that old faulty capacitor with new one. You can see the capacitor value. So in this condition, now let us turn on the TV and check the display is okay or not. As I said earlier, if the capacitor is bulged due to shorting in backlights, then it will repeat again. Here we already checked that all LEDs are okay. Here the fault is with the capacitor itself. So we replace it. Now we connected all sockets. Now let us release the TV from the standby. See friends, now the TV is released from the standby and here you can see now the picture comes and the backlights are working properly. So that's it. Hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you for watching.